let's go! Guys, I'm right in front of the gateway of India and I wish to show it to you guys. Do you guys want to see it? Let's show! Bam! That's the gateway of India right there behind me. Does it look awesome? I hope you like the gateway of India. I like it so much. There are two gates. One is the India Gate, which is in Delhi, and the other one is the Gateway of India, which is in Mumbai. I am in Mumbai. I live in Mumbai, and I came to the Gateway of India. Did you guys see that? Is it awesome? Hope you guys liked it. Now I will show you the Taj Hotel. So guys, I am right in front of the Taj Hotel. And do you guys want to see it? There are actually two Taj Hotels. One is the one that is built in the old times and one is the new one. So, what are we waiting for? Let's look at the Taj Hotel. So guys, these are the Taj Hotel. This one is the old one and that white big one right there is the new one. It looks nice, right? I absolutely love the look of it. It looks like a giant castle. And this is the biggest Taj Hotel right here, the new one. Hope you guys liked it. Now let's go to Elephanta cave. This is the down section of the boat, but our seat is in the up section of the boat. So I will meet you in the upstairs. So guys, I'm climbing the stairs. Look, I will meet you up there.
Guys, I'm outside the driver's seat and just look at the view from here. It's amazing. This is my dad. He hasn't been in any video yet, so I'm showing that. Guys, look at the view. We will reach in about 10 minutes now. So, I will meet you guys once I will reach there.
So guys, there is a huge oil ship near our boat. This is an oil ship and so huge. You can't even imagine how big it is. It looks small in the video, but it's extremely large. It's an oil container. Then that you see right there is CEO. As you can see, it's very big. We can get many information by going through this way. So, it's very nice. Upper section right now. But I just want to give a small visit to the down section. So, let's go. Guys, I'm going down right now. Oh. So guys, this is the down section of the boat. As you can see. And this is the view from here. Not that bad, but just the boat. So guys, I'm near the engine room right now. As you can see, inside this is the engine room. That's why it's so loud in here. We can get a better view of the Elephanta Caves mountain from here. As you can see, that right there, Elephanta Caves. It's very loud in the down section of the ship, but it's okay. There's also a section for snacks. As you can see, we can get some chips, some cold drinks and all. So, I like this ship. Guys, the Elephanta Caves is getting closer and closer. Look, it's so near. So, let's go.
This is the Elephanta Caves. It looks awesome, right? This is the Arabian Sea. Elephanta Caves.
The bridge that you see right there is the entrance to the Elephanta Caves. There are two ways to go. One is by walking and second is by going in a toy train. And of course, I'm going to go in the toy train. So, I will meet you in the toy train. Closer and closer. This is the boat parking area. And from there we will enter the Elephanta Caves. Look, this is the bridge. All the way from here to there. And that right there is the entrance. So, what are we waiting for? It's Elephanta. The boat is going to stop. Our boat is moving very slowly. We are reaching closer and closer to the entrance. As you can see, there are many other boats here as well. Climb down the staircase now. Guys, we are going down the staircase. It's very scary to climb down the staircase though. I will meet you down. Guys, I'm downstairs and we are going to exit this boat. Goodbye boat. What to do? Let's go to the toy train. Guys, we are here to book the tickets for our toy train. So let's go. I'm so excited. There are some pigeons right here. Pigeons eating their food. We are not going to discuss. As you can see, I have some glasses on. We bought this glass recently now near this place. And now the rest of the vlog will be me wearing my new glass. To catch the train. So this is the track. So reach the Elephanta cave. So let's go. We are on the way to the Elephanta caves now, guys. I will meet you there. This is amazing, guys. We are almost there. There is also a small village nearby. If we can, we will give there a small visit. If we can, I am not 100% sure. But I don't know, we'll try. So, let's continue our journey. There is a monkey. Oops, it runs a goat sitting right here. As you can see, I don't know what it's doing. On the way, we found a nice and lovely garden with a nice model of the Eiffel Tower in it. As you can see, this is the whole model of the Eiffel Tower. Cool, right? And guys, there is also a statue of Lord Buddha. As you can see, that's a huge statue of Lord Buddha. Very nicely detailed, made out of stone. Some plants in the entrance. Cool, right? We are on the way to Elephanta Cave. There's a huge path which leads to it with many nice shops here. Guys, there is a dolphin made out of wood which can wiggle. Climbing all the way to the Elephanta Cave. So before visiting it, we are going to eat some food. And this is the hotel. So I will give a quick tour of the hotel right now. As you can see, some stairs. There is one cactus right here, as you can see. And there is the dining area. The hotel is situated near a balcony, and as you can see, this is the balcony. I will give you the view from here. Back there, the Arabian Sea, and here are some trees in which there lives a bunch of monkeys and us. So we can enjoy the view and eat our snacks. So I will meet you straight after I eat my snacks. Some guards in the hotel with a stick, and you might be wondering why do they need a stick. It's because a lot of monkeys live in this area, so they come into the hotel and snatch the food out of their hand. So to prevent the hotel from monkeys, the guards have a stick so that the monkey will get scared from the stick and run away. Look guys, how beautiful this area is, filled with greenery. You might be wondering what that blue thing is. That is actually the market way. So this is the place from where we climb the whole mountain. There are many small markets near those places, so we can buy something if we want while climbing the mountain. So as you can see, it's filled with greenery. It looks amazing. Didn't I told you many monkeys live in this place? Here's an example. Just in the entrance of the hotel. It's waiting for someone to come so that it can snatch the food out of their hands.
आपका टिफिन भी आपको
This is the inside of the hotel. As you can see, we can buy some cold drinks, and from here we order our food, and there they will cook it for us. This is the cooking section of the hotel. There is also a grand dining table for someone to sit, some ice cream, and upstairs there is the place for staying. You can stay for like 1 day if you want. All done eating, and now we are going to Elephanta Cave. So let's go.
We are on the way to the Elephanta caves. I will meet you right there. The Elephanta caves. We have made it. Finally. The Elephanta caves. What happened is that when we took the ticket, in the ticket it is written that due to the pandemic, the caves are closed and it will open when all the COVID is normal. Unfortunately, we can't go in, but we can take a whole outer view of the cave. So let's go, which we saw when we were in the boat. As you can see, big, huge mountain. We have a pathway which leads to the Elephanta caves. As you can see, filled with greenery. Three ways. 1, 2, and 3. I don't know which way to go, but we will figure it out. This way is the gateway of India, and this way is to reach the Mora. The caves are closed. We can't go inside it. I'm really sorry, due to the COVID pandemic, everything is closed right now. So we will come here when everything is normal and we will go to the Elephanta.
As the Elephanta caves are not open, we came back to the hotel for taking some rest. This is the MTDC hotel. So I am on the balcony of the hotel. As you can see, it's a huge balcony, and this is the view from here. The seaside view right there. So there's a small village right there. Those are the houses of some fishermen that live near the seashore, and this is the sea through which we sail the boat. As you can see that right there, and at that side is the Taj Hotel, and these are the houses of the fishermen. As you can see, near the seashore, a small village. So those are the houses of the fishermen. See, there is the sea. It's the Arabian Sea right there. I will show you the Arabian Sea. As you can see back there, that is the Arabian Sea. And near the seashore, there are some fishermen's house who live near the seashores. And about that side of the sea, there is the Taj Hotel and the Gateway of India. So I will show you the view of Elephanta caves from here. As you can see there, that thing is the Elephanta caves. It's apparently closed, as you know. So here we are at the balcony of the hotel. I love this place, and this is the best vlog ever. We are heading back to our boat. First of all, we will go from the toy train and reach to the boat dock, and then we will go to the boat and go to the Taj Hotel and India Gate once again and head back home. I'm at the seashore, as you can see. I'm not near the boat. I just saw this place and got distracted. So I came here to do a small visit. And right there is the dock for the boats. As you can see, that was the place where our old boat landed and stopped. And at the same place is the toy train. So here it is, the Arabian Sea. As you can see, nice view. Look at the seashore. So windy, so nice. The best place I've ever visited. Yo, this is amazing. came here to take photos and all. As you can see, there are many waste in the sea. So if you ever come here, please don't throw waste in the sea because it can harm the animals. Use the dustbin, otherwise the animals will die because of this plastic. So please don't throw the waste in the sea. Guys, that right there is the toy train. As you can see, this is the radiant fishermen. As I told you, many fishermen live in this area. And that right there, the yellow thing, is the hotel where we went for rest. Cool. Many oil ships right here. Very nice place. I recommend you guys look at the beautiful view. It's like a photo, right? It looks amazing. Look at this. So beautiful view. Sailing in a boat. As you can see. Right? We are reaching closer and closer to our destination. Guys, as you can see, it's the sunset. Look. तक लाने के लिए शुक्रिया, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके। I thanked him for giving us a wonderful ride.
So guys, as you can see, I'm in the front side. Last time when we went to the road, we went to the top part. But now we are in the lower part. Some oil ships. Guys, this is the gateway of India. We have finally left the boat, as you can see, and I am right in front of the gateway of India. This is the front side view of the gateway of India. Front view. Let me show you the Taj Hotel. Guys, this is the Taj Hotel, all lit up with nice fancy lights. This is a 5-star hotel, guys. And this is the new Taj Hotel, as you can see. All lit up.
ताज होटल है तो
Guys, this is the statue of the great king Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, right in front of the gateway. As you can see, guys, as you can see, I'm in front of the 2 Taj hotels. Look, both are 5-star hotels with a very expensive rooms. As you can see, look. It's amazing. Guys, the light view of the Taj Hotel. As you can see, it looks beautiful, doesn't it? Look, main part of the Taj Hotel. Nice. Amazing. Guys. Okay guys, hope you guys liked today's video. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so that you won't miss any one of my new videos. I'm ending the video right here. Hope you guys like today's amazing vlog. So let's